Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, and I have some flavor and food combinations that are known to work well with bitter gourd. So if you're looking for some recipe ideas or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. The list is not very long, but hopefully there's something there that will spark your interest. You could combine bitter melon or bitter gourd with garlic and soy sauce, combine bitter melon with honey and lemon, and combine it with miso and tofu. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.